Blue Hills is a tremendous opportunity for any student who's looking for a different type of education. Students here are going to learn in traditional and non-traditional ways. They're going to attend math class and history class and science class, but on the other side they're going to attend the vocational program where they're taking the skills they learned in a math class and applying it to construction technology, where they're taking the skills in communication and applying it in a health assisting setting.
We offer 17 different vocational programs, and each one of those programs offers hundreds of career pathways. A lot of our students leave here with a license. In our cosmetology program, they're a licensed cosmetologist. In electrical, they're getting hours towards their electrical license. In early ed, they get their early ed teaching certificate.
Inside their programs, they form a sense of community within the Blue Hills community, and it provides them with those essential skills to practice and prepare them for a professional work environment. They learn those hard and soft skills.
When you graduate from Blue Hills, you are uniquely positioned to be successfully employed in literally thousands of jobs. And any school, I think, that can have you graduate into a gainful employment day one is a good place to go, no question.
We are a diverse community, and everybody in the community, students, faculty, administration, we're all very supportive here.
Everybody's good at something, and we find the best that everybody has to offer, and it goes into the teamwork.
We pride ourselves on a group of teachers and staff members and faculty members that really come to work committed to helping students.
A lot of one-on-one interactions with teachers, a lot of creativity. Teachers absolutely love what they're doing, and when teachers love what they're doing, students love what they're doing.
It's really a great opportunity for students, just like it would be at any other high school. But I think even more so here because at Blue Hills we're able to build relationships that I don't think you can build in some of the other schools.
When students are able to immerse themselves in some of the hands-on activities and really get involved, they really are able to develop and grow and really be prepared for their future.
Blue Hills is a full standard high school with all the classic high school offerings with extracurriculars. Plus, we offer all these technical programs. So you get to choose a major now, and that's one of the reasons why I came to Blue Hills as a student, because I wanted to get a jump on my future.